गोद लिया था मगर खाली गोद ही लिया है, बाकी कुछ हुआ नहीं है। हाँ, न दूध भेजी न माठा भेजी, दही कुछ नहीं आवा। यहाँ दिखाई नहीं आई तो गोद के का मतलब रहेगा।
There are broadly three types of people in Urva Gram Panchayat of Uttar Pradesh's Raebareli district. Those who are angry about Congress leader Sonia Gandhi's absence over the last 10 years, those who try to justify it, and those who are unaware she ever adopted it at all.
10 years ago in 2014, Congress leader Sonia Gandhi adopted Urva village in Jagatpur block of Raebareli. This was under the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, under which every MP was supposed to adopt a village and take care of it like a child, to adopt a village and ensure its development. However, the people of this village, Urva village, 10 years later, told the print that neither did Gandhi ever come to this village, nor did any development come to this village since she adopted it.
Raebareli Lok Sabha constituency has long been a stronghold for the Congress, with the party winning it continuously since 1951, barring 3 elections. Sonia Gandhi served as its MP for 4 consecutive terms since 2004, before stepping down this year to run in the Rajya Sabha elections from Rajasthan. This time around, the Congress is fielding Sonia's son Rahul Gandhi from Raebareli, which goes to vote in phase 5 on 20th May. But in this corner of the Gandhi family pocket borough, where there are only about 2,900 voters, a sense of neglect runs deep. Octogenarian Sadrunisa says she remembers the time well when Sonia Gandhi adopted her village.
दादी, आपको पता था सोनिया गांधी ने इस गांव को गोद लिया है?
हाँ बिटिया,
अच्छा।
सब हंसी कर रहे हैं कि अब सोनिया गांधी दूध भेजी है 1 लीटर, सबका पिएगा। मजाक करत रहे,
लोग मजाक कर रहे थे।
हाँ। तो यहाँ तक कि सोनिया तलक शकलें नहीं दिखाई।
अच्छा
हाँ,
अच्छा, शक्ल ही नहीं दिखाई अभी तक? नहीं मिली?
आज तलक नहीं शकल दिखाई। अब चाहे 10 साल भाव हुआ, चाहे 15 साल भाव हुआ, बहरहाल यही का विकास कबो भाई नहीं भा उड़वा का।
As far as development goes, Urva seems to be largely frozen in time, with not much changing since a baseline survey of the Gram Panchayat was conducted in 2015. As per the survey, the Gram Panchayat's minimal facilities served a total of 696 households with about 3,200 people. Back then, as now, its only healthcare facility is a health sub-center staffed by an auxiliary nurse midwife, and even now it doesn't have a bank or an ATM, which were facilities that villagers were expecting after Sonia adopted Urva. The village has a post office, 2 primary schools and a junior high school, but there's no senior secondary school, and after class 8, students have to travel to Shankarpur, which is 6 kilometers away. While government data shows that the village has seen the construction of 135 homes under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, as well as 260 new washrooms, there are considerable deficiencies in the reach of government schemes. For instance, not all homes have water taps under the Har Ghar Jal Jeevan Mission Nal Yojana, and many residents still resort to open defecation. There is no water tanker here either, so people depend on hand pumps.
While the inroads of this village have a few interlocking tiled paths, there are still open sewers which have garbage dumped inside them. Most people do not have taps in their homes for water. They still use hand pumps. And so several schemes which should have reached this village by now are still somewhere stuck in the pipeline.
Urva Gram Panchayat Pradhan Ramesh Mishra says that the lanes inside the village have been dug up for drains, roads have been ruined, and pipelines were laid by the Raebareli Jal Nigam about 4 years ago, but the people are yet to see the benefits. But some residents in the village hesitate to criticize Sonia, offering up reasons for her failing to visit them.
तो जब उन्होंने गोद लिया था तब कुछ उम्मीद थी आपको कि कुछ होगा?
उम्मीद तो रही, मगर उसको पता लगा भाई सुनी न मुँह बता रहे, पेपर बताओ कि बीमारें चल रही हैं, तो एक आध की है पाए जहाँ गोद लिए हैं।
Despite their reluctance to criticize her, few give her credit for any developments. Kumar points out that the village has seen improvements like better roads over the past decade, but all his praise is directed towards Pradhan Mishra.
तो गांव की हालत अभी कैसी है? क्या क्या दिक्कत है? कुछ भी सुधार हुआ 10 साल में?
नहीं, गांव के हालत ठीक है। प्रधानों जी हमारे जो कर रहे हैं ठीक कर रहे हैं, गलत नहीं कर रहे हैं। वो भी एक ही पहले जो उनसे जो हो सका हुआ है सेवा करी जनता के, वैसे यूँ कह रहे हैं मिश्रो जी, काम गलत नहीं कर रहे हैं। रोड बढ़िया बनवा रहे हैं, बढ़िया इंटरलॉकिंग करवा रहे हैं, सब बढ़िया काम करवा रहे हैं। अब जब ऊपर से पैसे ना आए सरकार का, तो यही कहा करिए प्रधान है गाँव के।
Mishra in turn defers credit to whatever work has been done here to the resourcefulness of Manoj Pandey, a 3-term MLA from Raebareli's Unshahar assembly seat under which Urva falls. Pandey was a cabinet minister in the previous Akhilesh Yadav government but resigned as Samajwadi Party chief whip and cross-voted in favour of the BJP candidate in the Rajya Sabha polls in February. According to Kumar, Sonia did allocate some of her MP lads or members of parliament local area development scheme funds for a few taps and solar lights, but Pradhan Mishra isn't impressed. Mishra told the Print, and I quote, "She was an MP for us for 25 years. In 25 years, if she gave us 2 taps and 2 lights, it doesn't really matter in such a huge Gram Panchayat," unquote. More than taps or solar lights, villagers are concerned about the water supply and drainage.
अरे ये लगत रहा कि गांव का विकास होगा और सब कुछ अच्छा रहेगा, लेकिन जो नहीं हुआ तो फिर संतोष है कि चलो नहीं हुआ।
तो अब कुछ उम्मीद है उनसे?
उनसे तो कुछ उम्मीद नहीं लग रहा मैम।
अच्छा। क्या क्या अभी गांव में आप विकास देखना चाहती है? आपके घर में पानी आता है? नल लगा है?
नहीं नहीं,
तो पानी कैसे करती हैं आप?
पानी इतने समय दूसरे घर से आ रहा, नहीं सरकारी नल रहा है।
अच्छा।
उससे काम होत रहा। जो सोचो कि नल गड़ा ले तो नाली भी नहीं है।
A few houses still don't have toilets too, forcing residents to defecate in the fields.
शौच की यहाँ पे कोई सुविधा नहीं
अब
है?
हमारे पास तो साहब नहीं है कोई चीज़ सुविधा। अब दूसरे के है तो साहब हमारे काम थोड़ी आते।
तो फिर कैसे शौच में दिक्कत नहीं होती क्या?
हाँ जी, दिक्कत तो होते है साहब। बाहर जाते हैं खेत में और झूरा में तो सही रहता है, पर बारिश में बहुत दिक्कत होती है साहब। बोदा में जाते हैं, मेरी बूढ़ी माँ है वो, उनको भी दिक्कत रहती है, पर किसी तरह छिंदा उंदा के ले जाते हैं।
So Urva village, inside Urva village, it does have interlocking roads for access. However, a lot of the houses still don't have taps fit in. They rely on government hand pumps or have dug in their own taps or hand pumps. And even with taps, they ask, what will we do of all the water? Because a lot of these roads and lanes inside either do not have a drainage or have open drains filled with garbage. Along with that, there were also residents that still go to the fields for defecation. Their entire family still goes to the field because they do not have washrooms built in. This is the state of Urva village. This is Apurva Mandhani along with national photo editor Praveen Jain reporting from the ground for The Print.